Ako kasi wala akong pakialam eh. So, we are going to that islet right there. Thank you po. You are literally missing out big time. Maybe I'll just leave my... Yes po. Yeah. Hey, so I'm taking over Greg's vlog because for some reason he still has a back pain. So yeah.
Ayun oh.
So apparently sabi ni Kuya, there's like a parang tinagong dagat doon. Tapos yung mga bahay doon is built by the Ifugao. Yun. So mga taga Ifugao din yung gumawa doon. And then from right there, that's the lighthouse.